In the business report, senior executives are repositioning their stock holdings. Corporate entities have reported to the stock exchange that they are reshuffling their stock holdings. Mayberry Jamaican Equities has advised that a connected party purchased 55,450 MJE shares on September 25, 2025. Mayberry Group Limited has advised that during the period September 22 to September 25, 2025, connected parties purchased a total of 149,185 MGL shares. Supreme Ventures Limited has advised that on September 24, 2025, a connected party purchased 1 million SVL shares. Supreme Ventures Limited has also advised that on September 25, 2025, a connected party purchased 5 million SVL shares. Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited has advised that the trustee of the SLJ Employee Share Purchase Plan purchased 109,055 SJ shares on September 24, 2025. Denise Williams has more news about the movements in the financial market.
For the trading period, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares of 15,001,182 units traded, representing 30.55% of market sales volume. Gas station operator Future Energy Source Company Limited ordinary shares with 10,099,806 units traded, representing 20.57% of market sales volume. Beverage distributor Jamaican Teas Limited shares with 2,766,626 units traded, representing 5.63% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 28, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $51.09 million purchased and US $49.31 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.05 per dollar, selling the US at $161.26 and buying the US at $159.21. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.57 per transaction, with selling at $121.15 and buying at $114.58. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.03 in profits, with selling at $216.35 and buying at $215.32. For our credit report tip of the day, you can have the best ideas, the sharpest ambition, and the strongest work ethic. But when it comes to turning your vision into something the bank will fund, it all starts with one thing: your credit report. That document is not just numbers. It's your financial reputation, your track record, and your ticket to being taken seriously when you ask for funding, whether that's for a mortgage, a business loan, or an investment line of credit. When you are building something from nothing and moving from financial resilience and going beyond, for many professional women over the age of 45, one of the smartest wealth strategies isn't choosing between a steady paycheck and entrepreneurship. It's actually doing both. A full-time job provides stability, benefits, and consistent income. Seasonal work like selling insurance, helping with taxes, or closing real estate deals adds bursts of high earning potential that can be reinvested into savings, debt payoff, or asset building. This strategy works because it spreads your income across different seasons, builds financial resilience against inflation and unexpected expenses, allows you to test new industries without giving up your stability, positions you to turn seasonal gigs into long-term wealth-building ventures, expands your network, and opens doors to new opportunities. Professional women over 45 bring discipline, relationship skills, and credibility that make seasonal income streams thrive. The combination of career stability and entrepreneurial drive creates momentum, not just income. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. See you soon.